So I'm going to go ahead and start with this Smashbox Primer Water. I'm going to go ahead and spray that all over my face to go ahead and prepare my skin. Then after that, I'm just going to fan it out and then going to go ahead and start in with my brows. So I'm using the Anastasia Dark Brown, and it's just a powder, so we're just trying to make it kind of simple makeup look. So this is what all I'm doing. I'm using, this is from Sonia Cashew. Cashew or Cashew? I don't remember how you call that, but it's a brush. It's just an angle brush that I really love it because it's like really, the stipple on the brush, the hair texture is like pretty hard, but it's really good for your brows. So all I'm doing is just filling in my brows and just dragging it in, as you can see, and just keeping it natural, not going too dark. And also, excuse me, with my pimples, I was having like a little mini breakout moment at that time, so I'm trying to get it under control, as you can see. But other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and continue with the whole makeup. Up next, I'm using this Bye Bye medium in the light medium, what's between, and this is a Bye Bye under eye. So that's what I'm going to use to go ahead and conceal my brows and carve them up with this Morphe brush. And yeah, I know it's not working, but I tried. So it's the M432 Morphe brush. And as you can see, I already set my lid, so I'm just going to go ahead and use that shadow right there from Huda Beauty, and I'm just going to use that on that top. As you can see, I'm just going to use it like a transition color, so it's just like a little brownish light. Good for fall, good for a natural look, and it's really quick and easy, guys, so anybody can create this. So I'm just doing is just putting that all over my lid on the top to go ahead and diffuse that. As you can see, I'm also going to go ahead and use this Dose of Colors with a collab of Daisy and Katie, and I'm going to use that darker shade, which I think it's Harpoon. No, I don't know, but I know Sue's, and then that's Harpoon, and then I forgot the other two names. But here is what it looks like on my arm. I tried to swatch all four of them, so that's what it looks like. Very pretty. And I'm gonna use that brown one on my lid. Excuse my nails, sorry, but yeah, it had fallen off, so I'm doing the best what I can, and I'm thankful I got a new set. So all I'm doing, I'm just patting in that in with my finger. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead with my Soft Glam from Anastasia and using this shade in the color Sienna. And I'm just going to go ahead and put it right in between of that light brown and also with that lid color. So like that it can be all kind of like not transparent, but all coming together. So I'm just going to blend that in, and that's about it, guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and use this, my favorite telescopic L'Oreal mascara. And I'm just going to curl my lashes. Go ahead and put my mascara on, and it's something quick and easy that you can use on your everyday, and even for a mommy or even for go to work, but typically you can use this wherever if you're in a rush or anything like that. So as you can see, I love this mascara because it could get in really in between those lashes, even the tiniest one of the inner corner, and I just love it. Can you see the difference of like my lash? There you go. So this is my primer. This is the peach collection that Too Faced had, and I am so in love with this product. I've been using this non-stop. I love it because since I'm on oily skin and it has a cool sensation on it, if you can get it on you, you should try this out. Like literally, it's really amazing. I love it. So I love to use this with any foundation that I prefer to use. So yeah. For foundation, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this old one but goodie, and this is the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1. I don't remember the shade I am, but oh, there it is. It's the light tan, of course. I'm tan, so I'm just gonna use my beauty blender and tap that on, pat, and put it all over my face. Does anybody else still use this foundation? Because I haven't heard it in a while, with all new things coming out lately, but whatever. So this is my tart shaped tape light to medium, and this is what I'm going to use for my under eyes to go ahead and conceal those dark ugly circles and my deep oh sorry guys, you probably saw the head of my son, but it's cool. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend that in, and as you can see, I love the way it looks on my skin. It makes it look so flawless, as well as it's really like light, and it makes you like blend into your skin with all your makeup. I don't know, I just love it. Have you anybody like tried the new one from Too Faced? I heard it's really good. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and set my whole face in my under eye and where I'm really oily with this Laura Mercier, and this is just a translucent powder. I love this. I haven't tried any other powder. I can go to anyone besides this one. If you like any other, let me know, and I'm more than happy to go ahead and try it out. And I'm also going to do it on my nose, on the top, almost where I'm really oily. I don't know if anybody else does this, but I want my makeup to last, so this is the most it can do. Ugh. Anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and set the rest with my MAC powder, and I'm just going to go ahead and dab that, and also dust all the powder to go ahead and bring my color back in, as well set the rest and keep it from oily and moving around. Does anybody else does this, or is this too much? Because I love to put too much. So this is the One and Well Dulce de Leche, and I'm going to go ahead and contour in the hollows of my cheekbones, as well my forehead, my nose, and do all that good yes. So as you can see, I'm just going to use that round taper brush, Morphe. I don't know the numbers, I'll just use the brushes because I have so much, and whatever works for you, or if you are interested in knowing each brush, I don't mind. I can go ahead and let you guys know in the future video. And this is how I contour my nose, you guys. So I just dab a little bit and just drag it out and kind of make it look like if I have like a nose job. But I'm not really happy with my nose, but it's okay. I like it sometimes. So there you go. The nose job. Anyway, so we'll just keep going with that nose until you feel happy with it. Eventually it does not look like I'm happy with it, so I keep going at it, right? Story of my life. But there you go. I think I'm done. Yeah. Alright, so now I'm going to go back in with that sienna shadow, and all I'm doing is just putting color under my eye to go ahead and blend in everything and make it look so blendable, contour type of eye shape. So now I'm gonna go in with this Milani and this is it Coral Cove? Yes, it is. It's Coral Cove for my blush, and also this Artist Couture. You guys, I love this. Mac Daddy did a great job with his products, with his company and everything. I can't stop watching him. Does anybody else like watch him? Because I mean, it's blinding. This is blinding. This is Illuminati. You're gonna see how melted this powder is. You see that? I don't know, guys, you can see that, but it's very, very mild, like very, 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 like little tiny spectacles in there, but it's so, so good. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that on my highlight, and as you can see, you see that how blind and subtle, and it looks so good. Like it looks like a glowing skin. Like literally, look at that. It's so, like, it goes really good. It even matches my shirt. Isn't that insane? Oh well, I think I'm just rambling, but it looks so amazing. Even I like to put that on my nose and on my lip and everywhere where I want to highlight. So anyways, back to my lips. So I'm gonna use this NYX, and this is in the shade Stockholm, and I just like to use this color before my lip to fill in, just like that. I can give a sort of a nice shape on my lips, even though they're not that great, but it helps out just to prevent from going outside the line of my lips when I am putting my liquid lipstick on. So this is all I like to do, is just go in and outline my lips, as you can see. And if you are one of those people that like to match your colors, I give you prompts for that, because I don't have the patience. So this is Dose of Color in this shade Brick, and this is the shade I'm gonna be using on my lips. And I mean, it's calling for fall. You guys, I don't know if you're ready for fall, but I'm super ready for fall. I can't wait. I love coffee. I love pumpkin. I love apple pie. I love the food. I love everything. So, this is what it reminds me of. Alrighty. Well, once I'm done, I'm gonna go ahead and get ready, and then I'll check back with you guys. Alrighty, you guys, well, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Don't forget to subscribe, like my video as well, follow me on my social media, and don't forget to turn on the post notification, the little bell, so like that you can get notified when I upload another video. Don't forget to be part of the B team, and I wish you be part of it, and as well, I hope you enjoy. And so if you want to recreate this, tag me on any of my social media. So this is what it looks like. It's not the best, but it's something really simple and that you can create as well with a bold lip. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy it. Bye guys.